Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a PUBG test of the Samsung Galaxy A22. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Samsung which is costing around 44,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And guys, on the front we have a 6.4-inch 720p Super AMOLED display which also has a 90Hz refresh rate. And also on the top we get a U-shaped notch. I wish that we get a punch hole on this phone. And guys, also we have 5000 mAh of battery size on this phone with a 15W fast charging. On the bottom we only get a single speaker on this phone, no dual speakers. And this phone also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. And guys, this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with Mali G52 MC2 GPU as well. In this video I'm going to show you how is the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy A22 because the hardware on this phone it is really weak. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly launch the PUBG Mobile on this phone. And also it does not have any FPS meter on this phone. On the A22 Galaxy Store it does not have any game plug application. And again we have single speaker on this phone, no dual speaker. So the speaker quality it is also not really loud. I would say it is not really loud as you can see. And as you can see that and the game it is on, and the game map running time it is really average on this phone, not the fastest. So first let me go to the settings on this phone. Let me show you the graphics option. And you can see we have a smooth graphics with ultra frame rate maximum, which is also available in the balanced graphics as well. We also have HD graphics. In HD graphics we have high frame rate, but does not have any HDR on this phone, as well as the ultra HD. So you can see that, and this phone give you a maximum 40 FPS gameplay, no 60 FPS on this phone. Even the Samsung Galaxy A32 is give you a 40 FPS gameplay. Now let's play arena training. Now let's see that how is the Samsung Galaxy A22 is perform in the PUBG Mobile game. And guys, now let's play arena training. Now let's see that how is Samsung Galaxy A22 is perform in the PUBG Mobile game. And you can see guys, we are in the game. So first let me show you the gyro on this phone. So now let's go to the settings and now let's enable the gyro on this phone. And you can see, and guys, on the gyro it is work, I would say, really good. As you can see, no lag whatsoever. Again, you guys are judge of the video, but you can see that no lag whatsoever. The speakers it is not really loud on this phone, and I have a little bit issue as far as the speaker quality are concerned. It is not really loud, so it is a little bit more difficult for me to hear my enemies. And again, you guys are judge of the video quality. And guys, and right now I did not see any lag right now. And yes, in this price range we also have a Poco X3 Pro which give you a Snapdragon 860 chipset with those speakers. All those things is only available on the Poco X3. And yes, I did not recommend this phone for gaming, but I want to show you that how is the A22 is perform if you do light gaming on this phone. Speakers it is also really average on this phone, I would say below average. I don't like the speaker quality on this phone.
The blue team is in the lead. I'm out. Need ammo. Cover me. Enemy down.
Yes, in long-term gaming, this phone is not really good because we have a MediaTek chipset. And guys, also and the touch response it is also not really fast on this phone, but I like the display quality on this phone because the Poco X3 Pro is give you a Full HD Full HD IPS LCD display, but the A22 is give you a 720p Super AMOLED display. right now, and the temperature in this room it is about 34 degrees Celsius. So again, if you are playing this phone in high temperature, and the result will be more bad.
Nice shot. Reloading.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Great. You're about to win.
The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Clear. Cover me. Blue team victory.
And as you can see that we are win, and the Samsung Galaxy A22 I would say is performed really good in the arena training. Now let's see that how is the A22 is performed in the Sanhok map, in the Sanhok boot camp. And right now we can see this phone give you a very close 40 fps gameplay. Yes, I see a little bit lag. And as you can see that right now we are in the Sanhok. So now let's move around, and you can see no issue whatsoever right now, very smooth, and you can see. So guys, now let's go boot camp, and let's see that how is the A22 is performed in the Sanhok boot camp. Unfortunately you cannot see the FPS on this phone. You can see I see a little bit lag.
Let's fight together.
And now let's see that we have any lag when we on the airplane. Should be lag, and you can see little bit lag, but again 40 fps, and that is always happened on any smartphone. So now let's go boot camp, and again unfortunately we cannot see the fps, which is a really good feature on another Samsung phones like A32, A52, which has a game plug feature. So now let's go boot camp. And guys, right now we are in the boot camp, so let's see very closely that we see any big FPS drop or not, that affect my gaming or not in the Sanhok boot camp. And you can see little bit lag at the end, and now it is normal. And guys, also on the device it is more warmer from right there. And as you can see that I see very big lag, and now it is much better. Yes, I see lags on the Samsung Galaxy A22 in the Sanhok boot camp. Actually you can see, and that's all I have to say regarding the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy A22. Actually you can see that, and this phone is performed really good in the arena training. This phone gave you a very stable 40 fps gameplay, but you can see that in the Sanhok boot camp, and this phone is performed really bad in the start as well as in the boot camp. We see huge lags on the Samsung Galaxy A22. So regarding the heating wise, and the phone it is not really warm, I have to say. Yes, and phone it is little bit more warmer. It's from right there. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this PUBG test of the Samsung Galaxy A22. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.